Saving $5,000 in just 6 months might sound impossible, especially if you're on a low income, but what if it's actually achievable with the right system? No extreme lifestyle changes, no unrealistic rules, just smart, practical steps anyone can follow. In this video, I'll show you a realistic savings plan that breaks down exactly how to save $5,000 in 6 months, even if your income isn't high, starting from today. Saving $5,000 in 6 months may sound difficult, especially on a low income, but it becomes realistic when you break it into a structured system instead of treating it as one big goal. The key is not just earning more, but controlling expenses, building discipline, and creating small but consistent savings habits that compound over time. To reach $5,000 in 6 months, you need to understand the math first. $5,000 divided by 6 months equals about $833 per month. If you divide it further, it becomes roughly $28 per day. This simple breakdown changes everything because it transforms a large goal into a daily action target rather than a stressful financial burden. Step 1. Define a fixed savings rule-yourself-first system. The first step is to treat savings like a non-negotiable expense. Instead of saving whatever is left at the end of the month, you set a fixed percentage or amount that is automatically or manually saved as soon as you receive income. Even if your income is low, consistency matters more than size in the beginning. For example, saving 20% of every income source forces discipline and creates structure. The important part is not waiting for extra money, but building the habit of prioritizing savings before spending. Over time, this creates a psychological shift where saving becomes part of your identity rather than an occasional action. Step 2. Track every expense for financial awareness. Most people fail to save not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't know where their money goes. Tracking expenses creates awareness, and awareness leads to control. When you start recording daily spending, even small purchases become visible. This naturally reduces unnecessary expenses without forcing extreme lifestyle changes. You begin to notice patterns, like frequent small spending, that quietly drain your income. Once you identify these leaks, you can redirect that money directly into savings. Step 3. Reduce invisible expenses first. Low-income saving strategies are not about cutting essential needs, but about eliminating invisible expenses that don't add real value. These often include unused subscriptions, frequent outside food, impulse purchases, and unnecessary digital spending. Even small reductions in these areas can free up significant monthly savings. The goal is not to live a restricted life, but to create intentional spending habits where every expense has a purpose. Step 4. Build a simple monthly budget structure. A practical budget system divides income into 3 categories: essentials, savings, and flexible spending. Essentials cover survival needs, savings are fixed, and flexible spending is controlled but adjustable. This structure ensures that saving is protected even in difficult months. It also prevents overspending during high-income periods, which is a common mistake among low-income earners trying to build savings. The simplicity of this system makes it sustainable, which is more important than complexity. Step 5. Increase income with small side streams. On a low income, saving alone may not be enough. You also need to increase cash flow. This does not require a full business or major investment. Small side income streams can make a significant difference over 6 months. This can include freelance work, small online tasks, selling services, or using skills like writing, design, or tutoring. Even an extra $5, $20 per day can dramatically accelerate your savings goal. The key idea is not perfection, but consistency. Small income additions combined with disciplined saving create powerful results over time. Step 6. Use the no-spend days strategy. A highly effective method for saving money is introducing no-spend days into your weekly routine. On these days, you avoid all non-essential spending completely. This practice reduces impulsive behavior and helps reset your relationship with money. Over time, it becomes easier to distinguish between needs and wants. Even a few no-spend days per week can significantly increase monthly savings without affecting your quality of life. Step 7. Automate or separate your savings. One of the most powerful psychological tools in saving money is separation. If savings are mixed with spending money, they are more likely to be used unintentionally. Keeping savings in a separate account or storage method reduces temptation. If possible, automate transfers so that money moves to savings immediately after income is received. This removes emotional decision-making and ensures consistent progress toward your goal. Step 8. Control lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest reasons people fail to save is lifestyle inflation, spending more whenever income increases. To save $5,000 in 6 months, you must avoid upgrading your lifestyle during the saving period. Instead of increasing spending when you earn extra money, you redirect that increase into savings. This accelerates your progress without changing your basic lifestyle structure. Step 9. Stay consistent even with small amounts. Many people give up because they think small savings are useless. In reality, consistency is what builds the full amount. Saving small amounts daily or weekly is far more effective than waiting to save large amounts occasionally. The mindset shift is important. You are not trying to save big money at once. You are building a system that produces money automatically over time. Step 10. Monitor progress monthly and adjust. Every month, you should review your savings progress. If you are behind, you adjust either expenses or income strategies. If you are ahead, you continue the same system. This creates accountability and ensures that your plan stays realistic and achievable. Without monitoring, most savings plans fail due to lack of direction. Saving $5,000 in 6 months on a low income is not about restriction, it is about structure. When you combine disciplined saving, expense control, small income increases, and consistent habits, the goal becomes realistic and achievable. The real secret is not how much you earn, but how well you manage what you already have. With the right system, even low-income earners can build strong financial stability in a short period of time. Now you have a clear roadmap to save $5,000 in 6 months, even on a low income. The secret isn't how much you earn, but how consistently you manage and control your money. Start small, track every expense, and stay disciplined with your plan. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more practical money-saving strategies. Your financial goals are possible, one step at a time.